Hi guys, I want to tell you about one of the most exciting treks, the Makali Durga trek. Yes, you heard it right. Makali Durga is actually a hill fort situated near the village by the same name, Makali, on the way from Doddaballapur to Gauri Bidanur. It is around 60 kilometers from Bengaluru city, 40 to 45 from Yelahanka, 12 kilometers from Doddaballapur, and 25 kilometers prior Gauri Bidanur. The fort was used in late 1800s by a governor named Makli Raya as his granary storage, hence the name. It is also believed that it gets its name from Makli Beru, a woody climber found over there. One can reach Makli Durga either by roadways or railways. The trains are usually available in the morning hours. You can either come directly to the trekking point by your preferred mode of transport or look for a stay in one of the resorts in Makali, the Makali Durga Sports Association, with a petrol station to its right and the railway station to its left. There are both AC and non-AC rooms available in the resort with a swimming pool, indoor games, and a kids pool, although the kids pool was not that clean when I visited there. The rooms are very clean, just have a look at them. You can even park your vehicles near your rooms. The location is very nice. They also have a campfire facility. You can order whatever you want. The only thing is that you will have to place your order well in advance. They have a bar and restaurant too. One problem I faced was the mobile networks. Only a few service providers like Jio and Airtel do well, I guess. All in all, one of the most affordable, really good budget resorts when compared to cities. You can also plan for Ghati Subramanya if you wish, which is around 5 to 6 kilometers from Makali. Coming to the trek, the starting point of the trek is Mutturaya Swami temple. The trek duration is 3 hours. Now, if you are a trekking enthusiast or a routine trekker, there is a bonus for you. You can do a railway line trekking before starting the actual one. Yes, you can start your trek from Makali Durga railway station to Mutturaya Swami temple, the starting point, which is around 2 kilometers. Just be careful of the trains passing by. From the starting point to the summit, it is approximately 2 kilometers. So, overall 8 kilometers from and back to Makali Durga railway station, and around 4 kilometers from and back to the starting point, that is the Mutturaya Swami temple. The choice is yours. The best part about the trek is, even without a guide, you can finish it on your own, as you can see arrow markings on the rocks along the whole trek to guide you, so no chances of getting lost. Early morning is the best time to do the trek, just to avoid the hot sun. Since you need to climb a hill, it becomes much harder if you are not used to such treks. At times you might feel, where I have come, there is nothing over here. Have I taken a right decision? But believe me, guys, once you reach the peak, you will be so relieved and happy that you did it. And the beautiful landscapes to soothe you are always there. I suggest don't leave it in between, even if it takes much time than estimated. The ancient ruined fort, the Gundamagere Lake, the railway line view from the top with trains passing by, the Makali Malleshwara temple with the idols of Lord Shiva and Nandi are the highlights of the magnificent trek. A few points and precautionary measures to note. Be careful with the choice of your shoes because at few points you will have to climb lengthy rocks. The rocks are slippery in nature and if there is water on their surface, they might be rather unsafe. Also carry lots of fluids like water and juices to energize yourself and to overcome dehydration. You can also carry your personal belongings like sunscreen, caps, and sunglasses if you wish. And please do not throw any plastic waste or food waste at any point along the trek. Just carry them back and dispose them off properly. And guys, if you are not prepared and still feel reluctant and unsafe, just let it go and look for another trek. Since the resort is not near the trekking point, you might need a vehicle to reach the point, or do a railway line trek, as I said earlier, or jog or walk along the main road from the resort to the trekking point. But they are coming up with some more lodges near the trekking point, which are still under construction. Finally, thanks for watching. I mean listening. Stay tuned for more such videos, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy and safe trekking guys. Bye bye.